Hi friends, this question is regarding seating arrangement. In seating arrangement, different types of question will ask. One type is regarding linear arrangement. So we will see linear arrangement type questions. This is a basic and simple type of question. You can see the question like A, P, R, X, S and Z. A, P, R, X, S and Z are sitting in a row. S and Z are in the center. A and P are at the ends. R is sitting left of A. Then find who is to the right of P. When you see this question in the video, you may find it is difficult or complex or something. But if you read in a paper, it is very easy question. Okay, before solving this problem, we have to understand some concept. When you solve seating concept, seating arrangement problems, you have to understand some basic concept and practice. These are the two things to solve or to easily solve any seating arrangement question. First one is understand some basic concept and second one is practice. Okay, so this is a linear arrangement type of questions, linear seating arrangement. They told that A, P, R, X, S and Z, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people are sitting in a row. So this is a row, this is a row and they are sitting in a row. So first thing you have to find out in which direction they are facing. In which direction they are facing. So in this question they didn't give in which direction they are facing. If the direction is not given by default, you can assume that they are facing north side. You know, north, south, east and west. Okay, so if they didn't mention which direction, then you can assume that it is in the north direction. So I am assuming that they are in the north direction. If they have given that they are facing south direction, then you have to place the members in the south, facing in the south direction. Here they didn't mention, so north is the direction. So they told that there is 6 members. So this is north direction. So they are facing. Okay, they are facing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people are facing this north direction. Next thing you have to find out right and left. Right and left of this row. Right and left of this row. So you know that if they are facing north side, then it will be, this side will be right and this side will be left. Suppose if they are facing south, side, then how it will be? This side will be right and this side will be left. You know that if somebody is facing towards south side, then the right will be here and left will be here. If somebody is facing north side, then the right will be here and the left will be here. So if you can identify the direction and the right and left side of this row, then the half of the work is done. Next you have to figure out, you have to draw the diagram. After drawing the diagram, you can answer any question from that row. So as we know, this is facing north direction. So this will be this will be a right side. Before I made for the south side. Okay. This will be the right side and this will be the left side. Okay. Now they have told, then we will come to the question. They have told A, P, R, X, S and Z are sitting in a row. S and Z are sitting in the center. Center means here 6 people is there. So center means these two will be the center. These two will be the center. So we don't know S and maybe S will sit here and Z will sit here. We don't know. Sometimes Z will sit here and S will be sit here because they didn't mention. They told that it is on the center. So this is not confirmed. So we can put here that either is S and Z here or here. Okay. So we don't know who is sitting. Okay. Assume. They have told that A and P are at the ends. So we got another point that this is left, this is right. We got the another point that A and P are at the ends. So we don't know which end. We don't know which end. They told that A and P are at the ends. Maybe A come here or P come here, or A come here, P come here. We don't know. Like I cannot draw now that here. I know that either A or P will be here because A and P are at the end. But in which end, which alphabet is coming, that I don't know. So I assume that maybe A or P will come here, or P or A will come here. I am assuming that. But I am sure that A and P is somewhere at the end of the row. Next they are told that R is sitting left of A. R is sitting left of A. Left of A. So see, if R is sitting left of A cannot be here. A cannot be here because A is if A is sitting at an end, then R cannot. See, R is sitting left. Suppose if A is here, then R, where should R come? As per this, R should come left side. Left side. Here nothing is there. So here nothing is there. So I can find that this should be B and this should be A. Now I got, means A should be in the right side. Then only I can place somebody in the left side. Okay. So now I confirm that. Okay, P will come here, A will come here. Before they told that only P and A will be at the ends, but I don't know which end. But the second point they told that R will come left of A. If R has to come left of A, R should be this side. Then only A should be this side. Then only R can come here. So I got that R. See, A is at the end and R is left of A, left of A. Okay, okay. Then who is left? Then left is X. X should come here. Okay, because here is Z or S, because we don't know who will be here, Z or S. They didn't mention. Maybe this is Z or S, or maybe this is Z or S. Any of will come here. Okay. Next, the question they have asked, who is to the right of P? Who is to the right of P? This is P, right side of P is X. So the answer is X. So linear arrangement are very easy. Linear arrangements are very easy. First thing what you must know, in which direction they are facing. If they have given you the direction like south, west, east, or like north, then you have to place them in that direction. If they didn't mention any direction, then by default you can assume that north side, they are facing north side. So you will put on them on the north side. And then second thing, you draw a diagram as per the condition, as per the statement, place each member. So if you draw the set the direction, easily you can understand who will come the right, which is the right side and which is the left side. Okay, then place each people as per their statement. So sometimes you cannot confirm that who is coming in particular point. In that situation you can put like this. Here I don't know which part is coming or which alphabet will come here. I'm not sure. Like before P and A, they told only before P and N will be at the end. I don't know which end P will come, which end A will come. But in the second condition they told that R is sitting left of A, means R is sitting left of A. So the A should be at the right side. So I assume that A will come here, P will come here. Then any question if they ask, I can answer. It's a simple, basic question. Understand the basic concept and do more and more complex linear arrangement questions from this. Easily you can answer, because for this solving seating arrangement question, as I told, there is no other methods. Like you must know the direction and right and left, place and draw the diagram. Then as much as you practice, okay, because the maximum time if you practice, the easily you can score. Without practicing or without using your logical thinking power, you cannot answer this question, or you cannot answer this type of question very easily. Thank you.